provide enough to satisfy every man's need but not every man's greed. Good morning everybody. My name is Anumeet Sidhu. I am student of +1 standard at Apple International School. Today I am going to talk about the National Pollution Control Day. December 2nd is observed as the National Pollution Control Day. This day is observed in the memory those who lost their life in the Bhopal gas tragedy. The air pollution that took the life of so many people was because of the toxic gas named methyl isocyanate. The main aim behind the celebration of this day to control the pollution and the prevention of industrial disaster. Pollution has already damaged our ecosystem in many ways that we can't even imagine. Water and the air are two essential components that the life depend upon it. National Pollution Control Day is celebrated to aware the people about the effect of the pollution. Several campuses and the activities are arranged in this day. Individuals should take part on it and contribute the effect of pollution, like reducing the number of trips in their own vehicles, avoid the burning of plastic, recycle and reuse the things. Don't throw the waste into the water and near the water area. So, my dear friend, let's be a part of a solution, not a part of pollution. Thank you so much.